Horsepower picks up as they head into turn 3 and 4 to the line. Green flags out, and we're racing. Smoke out of the 52. They go 3 wide for the lead. Billy Bones in that 64. Yes, I missed him on the lineup. Earnhardt on the 52. Ryan Ostis in the 17. They touch. Down the front straight, away they go. Balms and Page in the 51. Squeak out to the front. Bring along the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury. The Mosquito Patrol on the 52 is in full effect. It's like the Batman car putting up the smoke screen. The rest of the field can't see. There's Page in that 51. Looks to the inside. Down the back straightaway. A great battle for the lead. Lounsbury in the 22 takes the lower, looks to the inside in the 64 of Billy Balls. The 52 car heads to the paddock area. The battle for the lead. Lounsbury in the 22 to the inside of 64 of Billy Balls. Balls not giving up. Takes the advantage down the backstretch. They're neck and neck. Down the front straightaway they go. Balls takes the early lead. A battle for the lead. Now a battle for fourth. There's Justin Wagner in the 73 and that 17 car, Ryan Ostison. Battle for that fourth place spot. White flag flies. This time, it's do or die time for Dwayne Lounsbury in that 22. Bill Balls in the 64. Lurches ahead down the back straightaway. But now it's Lounsbury to the inside. Who's it going to be? Pick your favorite. 64 of Billy Balls. Dwayne Lounsbury. Chris Page. According to the scoreboard, Justin Wagner in the 17, or the 73, excuse me, takes fourth. The 17 car, Ryan Ostison, home in fifth place. Don't forget, it's spectacular drag night here at the Rockford Speedway. They're coming up right after that flagpole race. So head on down to the pit area, get yourself signed in and signed up, and be part of the action tonight.